4th standard Science, Unit number 4, Science in Everyday Life. We are going to learn about baking of bread, biscuit, cake, and benefits of cooking, nutritional value of milk. Do you know why we drink milk in the morning? Yes, it is good for our health. Okay, let's learn more about milk in this lesson. Milk is a white nutrient rich liquid food. It is a primary source of nutrient for mammals before they are able to digest other types of food. Milk from many animals is used by humans. Cow milk is used commonly. Sources of milk. They are rich sources of energy. Raw milk for processing generally comes from cows, but occasionally from other mammals such as goat, sheep, and buffalo. Milk is one of the most important source of nutrition for human beings and animals. It is the first food provided for newborn babies because milk contains large variety of nutritional constituents. Example: soya milk, nut and seed based milk. Nutritional value of milk. A glass of milk contains water, sugar, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Students, I know you are drink milk. What taste it will be? Yes, sweet taste because it has a special sugar called lactose. Protein has to build muscles. Fat presence in the milk is called butter. Butter is more delicious than any other fat. Vitamin D in the milk helps to maintain the bones. Minerals. Calcium is a mineral. It helps to build healthy bones and teeth. Now we will see about how milk is useful in our daily life. Milk is a primary food for babies. It gives curd, butter, buttermilk and ghee. It used during festival and ceremonies. It used in ice cream and chocolates. It used for making cheese, paneer and milk sweets. Milk also used as health drink for adults and sick people. Health benefits of milk. It strengthens bones and teeth. It maintains blood pressure. It reduces the risk of heart disease. It is a source of energy. Next, food materials. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism, usually of plant or animal, contains essential nutrients to keep our body healthy. Food provide energy. It contains essential nutrients to keep our body healthy. Do you know why we eat food? Food gives energy. Food promotes growth. Food improves immunity. It also helps our body repair itself. Food can be classified into two types: raw food and cooked food. Raw food can be eaten raw. Raw food is the food that does not have to be cooked to eat. For example, fruits, carrot, groundnut, seeds. Cooked food. Cooked food is the food that has been cooked to eat. For example, vegetable, rice, curry, bread. Cooking. Do you know how many food items you that will not able to without cooking? Cooking is important. It makes food suitable for consumption. There are 6 types of methods of cooking: boiling, steaming, frying, deep frying, roasting, and grilling. Benefits of cooking. Cooking causes many useful enhance Cooking causes many useful changes in food. It makes nutrients ready for digestion. It helps to make food in the desired texture, flavor, and taste. It destroys harmful microbes. Baking of bread, biscuit, and cake. Baking is a method of cooking. We use dry heat to bake. Bread, biscuit, and cake are some examples of baked food items. First one, bread. Bread is a common food product prepared by baking. It is an important source of energy for sick people. It is also one of the ancient foods made by humans. Bread is a low fat food. Bread has the nutrients required for normal development and good health. To make bread, we need wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar, and salt. Next, biscuit. Biscuit is a small flour-based baked food. They are generally made of wheat flour or oats and sweetened with sugar. The main ingredients of biscuits are flour, sugar, butter, water, milk, baking powder, and flavors. Biscuits are salty or sweet. Some biscuits have cream in between. Next, cake. Cake is a baked dessert. It is like a sweet bread. There are many varieties of cake with the specific ingredients. We use cake during celebrations. The common ingredients of the cake are flour, sugar, eggs, oil, baking powder, and flavoring agent. Gadgets is a small mechanical or electrical device or tool. The phone that we use, the camera that goes with us on every vacation, the TV that we watch for fun. All these devices that we use are called gadgets. A gadget is a small electronic machine or device which does something useful. Number of gadgets have changed our lives. They make our life enjoyable. For example, laptop, phone, camera, pen drive, speaker. First, smartphones. Apart from communication, smartphones have the ability to access the internet and store files, take photos, track location, and much more. Next, portable music player. It stores and plays thousands of songs. We can listen to songs anywhere, anytime. Tablets. People use tablet to read books, play games, and watch videos. And pen drive. It is a small gadget used for storing and transferring any type of file in or from a computer. Electric torch. Portable handheld electric light. Torch is used to provide light in the dark places when it is switched on. Thank you for listening.